only on high grades.
Tigosori chia mamererio ya materasi chiskuru ni gocheiranereirwe na inde magega yokuratine nigwa asegeka kubwatikana no gwateka kuburoire bwa COVID-19 imeyense ya Kenya. Tigosori echo ni gochia swari tkoria kabere imeye county ya Kisumu awase omuteneneri gusumunya kero gotenereta mangana yo Peter Wanjoy aine kyabuna babeire bakubwatania ebyombe au nabayiga serikali eryo kaine kyabuna omuroberero yobere gogoikiranirwa asenchira ya bene.
Part of the objectives of Kenya Music Festival is to inculcate positive values in the children of this nation. And as you inculcate positive values, as they are trained by their trainers, as they are trained and competing, we have also come together with other government institutions so that we can pass messages that are essential and to educate the children of Kenya on what the government is doing.
We'll have the finalist concert on Saturday, the 23rd, and we invited the head of state for the state concert, but that it will be communicated by